scratchies? No. What? I don't have nothing. You thought I had? No, I don't. You thought I stuck one over here? I don't.
Always looking for a treat.
I don't have nothing.
Always looking for a
I
bone.
don't have nothing. What? What do you want? I don't have
She's
nothing.
digging in the chair looking for a bone. He hides them sometimes, but he doesn't really have one. She's saying, "Mommy, shut up."
I don't have one. Look, nothing. Look, nothing.